Novation IQ is not your ordinary company. Established in the year 2000, Novation IQ develops and manufactures disruptive technologies and advanced materials that enable faster, better, greener solutions designed to bring manufacturing back home. Our state-of-the-art facility is home to teams of smart, creative scientists, support staff, and manufacturing professionals who are all empowered to imagine. We invest in our people and their ideas, and together we make the impossible possible. We have over 25 patents issued or filed, and many more to follow. With a global intellectual property portfolio ranging from advanced phones and films to alternative energy sources, we are poised to change the world. Our mission, the reason we cannot wait to get to work each day, is because we believe everything we do positively changes lives, creates opportunities, and truly improves the planet. Novation IQ operates 3 business units within its organizational framework: Fabrication and Lamination. This business unit uses discrete manufacturing methods to fabricate, mold, and/or laminate a variety of products that are sold to downstream manufacturers and distributors who in turn sell to customers. This business unit uses discrete manufacturing methods to fabricate, mold, and laminate a variety of products. Foams and films. This business unit uses process manufacturing methods to create highly specified, fine-cell, thin-gauge polyolefin foams. These foams are sold to downstream manufacturers who use the foams as primary components in product applications ranging from technology to medical. And the Innovation Center. This business unit serves as the research and development engine for the company. NIQ currently holds multiple patents across a variety of technologies, including advanced molding techniques using radio frequency heat sources, advanced solar cells, devulcanization of rubber. We believe that to win in the markets in which we compete, we must create measurable, sustainable value in greater quantity than those with whom we compete. To do this requires high-performance associates working in high-performance teams within a collaborative, high-performance culture. As a team and as individuals, we must contribute to the value creation required to win in the markets where we compete. At Novation IQ, we have built our culture around 3 core tenets. We believe that we exist to create value for our clients and our partners. We believe in a culture based on freedom with responsibility, empowerment, and accountability. We believe in operational excellence. And we question any action that is inconsistent with our core principles. We commit to the personal and professional development of our associates. We will relentlessly drive quality, execution, and performance individually and as a team. With the help of our associates, we will create an amazing place to work. Imagine what we could do together.